I think there's something to the magic of education as trying to unlock whatever that spirit is inside of every child. Trying to find what is the thing that you will spend hours and hours doing at night, way beyond the homework that you have to do, way beyond whatever assignments you have, that thing that just piques your intellectual curiosity. I think it's really important that we don't think that there's a cookie cutter way to be a student at Country Day, that every kid is on his or her individual path, and you have to honor that path.
It's a great place to grow up in, I think. You are surrounded by all this love and positivity and different personalities. I meet so many of our seniors here. I'm very close to a lot of them, and they tell me about how they want to change the world and go into sports careers, or they want to be doctors or scientists or this and that. And I think that's Country Day's whole goal, is to not only make our students academically equipped, but also to make them really, really good people.
Sacramento Country Day School has unique students. We have students who are genuinely engaged. We have students who seem to love learning. We have students who are happy and having fun. Here we allow our students to be their unique selves. And I feel that way as an educator too, that I get to be my unique self. There is a sense of comfort that comes with that. I know where I belong in the community. And that's the thing that's special about this place, is that we're all in this together.